Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Smart Tank 750 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First step is we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up. Scroll down. Here we find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I'm going to the Google Chrome. Here in a search type HP Smart Tank 750 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Open the first link. Whatever the first link is, open that first link with our printer name. And official website of the HP printer is open. Here we find our printer name. Here we find the Windows operating system or the operating system or OS. If operating system is not right or the bit is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Select Windows from this list and in version select Windows 10 32-bit if 32-bit machine. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the update. After that, scroll down and here we find many options. Go to these options. Installation software and full basic driver supports print and scan functionality only. Okay. Expand it. Here we find HP Easy Smart Printer Setup Software offline use only. It is for the offline use and here we find the file size. Click on the download. It's redirect you to the another HP page and download is started at the top. It's an large file. It's take 1 or 2 minutes. So be patient and wait for 1 or 2 minutes to properly download this printer driver files on our PC or laptop. Windows 10 PC or laptop. It's take 1 or 2 minutes. After 1 or 2 minutes, our download is completed. Wait for a few seconds. Now our download is almost completed. Go to here, our download is completed. Go to downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our printer driver or the printer setup file and we are going to install this printer driver. That is also easy and simple process. Right click on it, double click on it or right click on it and click on run as administrator. Wait for a few seconds. New options are pop up on our screen. Click on the yes. Wait for a few seconds. Our installation process is started. Wait for a few seconds and it's extract first or unzip first, and after that installation is started on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a large size file, so it's take 1 or 2 minutes to extract. It means unzip, and after that unzip process is done, it start setup on our PC or laptop. It show welcome screen on our PC or laptop in a few seconds. Click on the yes. Here we find some files or some softwares are installing on our PC or laptop. It's take few seconds, so be patient. Please wait while we load printer setup. Okay, our printer setup is started. Here we find continue. Click on the continue. Here we find yes. Do you want to help? Yes or no, depending on you. I click on the no. Wait for a few seconds. After that, our printer installation is started. It's searching for the printers, and after that it's install our some softwares and some drivers on our PC or laptop. Then it's asked for the manual install or the installation. Okay, search by IP. I click on the continue. Here we find 3 options. Wireless network. If you're using wireless network, then select this and click on the next. Wireless network means your router network or the internet network that you're using by your Wi-Fi. Okay, after that here we find wired network. Wired network means by using Ethernet cable you can connect multiple PC to your PC or to your printer. Okay, after USB, select USB that you want. If you select USB, that means it's select USB cable, and by using USB cable it's Q print. I select USB cable and click on the continue. After that, attach your USB cable or the Wi-Fi network to your PC or laptop, then click on the next, and that printer is installed in a few seconds. I'm not attached my printer, that's why it's not showing. After that, restart your PC or laptop and your printer is properly installed in a PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.